This is the production process for a 150 pound 8-inch weld neck flange. For material preparation, use a circular saw to cut the iron bars into the required size. Place the cut iron bars into the automatic feeder of the heating furnace and set the production rhythm and heating temperature. Workers evenly apply ash to the end face of each piece of material to prevent sticking during discharge, and the heating furnace heats the bar stock to the set temperature. After exiting the furnace, the equipment quickly puts the bar stock into the hydraulic press, and then the hydraulic press presses the bar stock into the required shape according to the set process parameters. After pressing, the equipment clamps the billet away and transfers it to the electric screw press. The equipment then places the billet back into the mold, and the electric screw press strikes the billet according to the set striking force and number of strikes. After the molding process, we move on to the next step. The automatic inkjet printer starts working, cleaning, and cooling the mold. We then place the molded flange into the punching die for punching. After punching is completed, the forging process of a flange blank is finished. Then we feed the flange into the conveyor belt and the flange blank into the material frame, thus completing a flange blank.